Hello everyone, this video will walk you through how to edit this top bar of information. Since we are living in the time of the pandemic, a lot of our hours and services are changing quite frequently. So to edit this top bar of information, first you will need to go to hover over your library's name in the top left of the desktop toolbar or the WordPress toolbar. Go down or navigate down to Theme Customizer. Once that loads, you'll navigate to Header and Navigation and click on Header Elements. Now you will see here that this is where you can edit your hours. We are really just forcing information into this area that isn't naturally there. Usually the only information that this WordPress function will allow is your phone number and email. You'll notice that this website does not have an email here, and yet the email icon displays. So what we could do is enter the generic director email, which I think is this. I'm not sure on that, so I can always get rid of it later. And it will display. So even though I click on it, it's not going to bring me anywhere, but it is giving me the information that I can email that person. You'll also notice that there's a Facebook icon. If I click on the Facebook icon, it brings me to the Phillips Public Library Facebook page. So to have that Facebook icon appear in that area up top, you have to have your social media selection selected. Now, to adjust your hours here, you just pop your cursor into this line under phone number and make your edits as you wish. Once you are all done, you click publish if anything has changed. Then click on the X for exit, and your new changes will take effect there. So we didn't make too many changes except for adding the email for the envelope icon. But if you had any changes to make, you would have seen them in the text here. The idea is to keep this area really clean and neat, and leave the rest of the information sharing for your website proper.